Hello everyone. I'm starting a new series for you guys. We are going to be working on live projects. This particular project is for a client of mine who is a chartered accountant. He needs a dynamic website for his business. Today I got the specification which include all this feature. So in this website we have two types of actor involved. The first one is admin and the second one is user. So these are the core feature of the admin and user. Like admin can manage the content of the website, and the user can see the website. Like you know that how other website looks when you go on the when you type the URL in the browser and see the home pages, about us pages, services pages, contact us pages, product pages like that. There will be one inquiry page also, just to know the about services, and ask a question page where the user can ask a question with the CA. And the admin and sub-admin is responsible for all the private pages. Like first they will log in and just manage, they can manage the content of the website. They can see the inquiry coming from the user. They can answer, reply to the answers, question asked by the user. So these are the things which we are going to create in this whole development of this website. And I will discuss you all the features what we are going to develop in this website. But the most thing is, I'm going to create this multi-modular dynamic web application. So for the technology wise, I'm just using. I thought that we will start this in Angular 9. So because this is a very latest Angular version, and for the backend side, I'm going to work on Spring Boot. And no, sorry, not Spring Boot. I'm going to work on PHP. So yet I've not decided which backend technology to use, but most probably I'll start with Slim PHP. It's another framework of PHP. And for database, I will use the MySQL database. And this is a very good example to learn for those who have never created a multi-modular web application. So I just wanted to discuss some feature of user and admin. So these are the pages which we are going to design for the user, like home pages, about us pages, services, ask a question, news page, article page, external link page, contact us page, Google Map integration, YouTube integration, Facebook integration. So these things which we are going to create for user. And another slide is for admin facing pages. So what are the pages which is accessible for the admin? So that is the login page, sign up page, change password, forget password, manage banner, manage gallery, manage services, manage news, manage articles, manage external links, manage contact information, manage about us information, manage sub admins, manage inquiry, reply to a question asked by the user, and update user documents by mobile number. This is basically whenever suppose CA have done something for the client, so he want to give some documents, so he will directly upload to the website, and he will tell the user that go and type your number in the website and put the OTP. After that, just do some download your documents like that. Something will happen in that feature. So this is all the features which we are going to do in our website. And those who have never tested the feature of authentication, authorization in Angular, so here in this application we are going to do a lot of things. So my aim is to focus only on Angular side. So I'll not show you the backend APIs, how to create a backend API in this series. So for that we will see in the next series when we complete this complete feature. So maybe in different app we will see how to create the backend APIs, how to connect with the database and all. So for this, the front end is the only thing which I'm going to show you. And here we, as a core Angular feature, what we are going to learn in this application in development cycle, we are going to learn about how to do authentication, how to do authorization, how to use Auth Guard to protect the Angular private pages, how to use interceptor, what is the use of interceptor, and how to interact with the parent to child component and child to parent component, how to interact with the two different components. So when there is a no relation like child and parent, how to make the reusable components, how to create a multi-modules like that, how to create a routing, how to create a path manager for whole application. These all things that we are going to discuss in this complete development cycle. So I hope that you like this video, you like this series, and after that you can create your own website for your business. So for this website I'm going to host also. I'll purchase. I have already purchased a domain name, and I have the hosting service also. So I will tell you how to purchase a domain name and how to just upload your website and in the server, and how to connect your domain to the server. So these all things from start initial level to the production level, whole scenario I'm going to show you in this tutorial. And not in this tutorial, basically this complete series is divided into a lot of videos. So in the whole if you subscribe this channel, so you can see all the videos and you can create your own website. So thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe this video, and if you have any question, please ask in the comment section.